Tama lang na hindi ka naging presidente ng Pilipinas.
Meanwhile,
Sa grit lang, walang kayang sumabay kay Mayor Isko pagdating sa trabaho. When he focuses, lagi niya nga sinasabi, di ba, malaki utang niya sa pamilya niya. Kasi talagang he really dedicated his life to the public. Siguro on the grit lang, when the pandemic happened, because Manila is the center of the country when it comes to economics, education, di ba? And alam niya na maraming magiging problema that we need to handle pagdating ng pandemic. I think he has been very open. He practically lived in his office for several months. You will see him attending meetings already in t-shirt and shorts because yun na lang ang naiiwang damit niya. To think that he would still call on meetings and request for special sessions, it is not abnormal to get a call from him in the late night of the evening and talking to you and say, Princess, kailangan natin ng ganitong klaseng ordinance ha. Ikaw bilang kasama niya sa paglilingkod, mahihiya kang mag-isip na, boss, pwede ba bukas na lang? Kasi gabi na. As a person, you look towards the leader to inspire you to work harder. He has really done that for us. Walang pwedeng magsabi na ayaw namin magtrabaho kasi tatamad-tamad naman yung leader namin. Hindi mo makikita yan kay Mayor Isko. He drives you and he inspires you. And that's a very unique trait for a leader. Sa grit, when it comes to learning, hindi ka pwede magbigay kay Mayor Isko ng data na i-expect mo, hindi niya babasahin. Baka mamaya, ikaw na sumulat, kayo nag-usap, mas alam pa niya yung nasa pa sa kanyang papel. That's the grit that you will see in him, not just in the implementation. He studies his materials. And I have a friend that also helping Mayor Isko noon. Sabi niya, Princess, kahit gaano kakapal yung bibigay ko kay Mayor Isko, pag nakausap ko siya, binasa talaga niya lahat. That's a unique trait for leaders. Hindi lang sila may grit in the performance of their duties, but there's grit and passion in learning how to perform his duty. And that's what we really love about him. And that's why he inspires us and it inspires me personally to continue on for the city of Manila and now, of course, for the whole country. If we have that kind of leader that works hard when it's not campaign season and campaign season, wala ka na dapat isipin pang iba. Huwag mo nang pakawalan yan dahil yan sigurado magtatrabaho para sa taong bayan lagi.